Hi, everybody. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Tracie Mahan, and this is going to be a channel segment with Arcturian Daniel and friends. First off, what I want to say is thank you, thank you, thank you, everybody. I've already reached 3,000 followers. I know that's not a lot in the YouTube world, but I'm excited about it, and I thank you all for being here. The other thing is I apologize for the gaps in between these messages that I can bring on here. My computer was glitching, but as of now, I have a new computer, so let's see if we can get this rolling again. Okay, so before we get started, channeling workshop coming up September 28th, 29th. Still time to get signed up. There's, I think, 3 spots left or something like that. So if you're thinking about it, get on there, get it. Now would be the time, and there's still time to sign up. January is 17 days in Egypt on a cruise down the Nile. We're doing the initiatic path. We're activating chakras. We're activating 9 chakra systems through the initiatic path through the Nile River, and then also spending time in that King's Chamber, activating that crown chakra. It's quite an amazing journey. Check that out. That's on my website, link down below. And then also then in June of 2025, there's going to be a 10-day cruise in Iceland. So check that out as well. That's going to be with Julia Cannon and with Trina Sheeran. Sorry, my phone was making noise and I thought I shut it off. So that distracted me. All right, let's go get Daniel. Let's go find out what it is he would like us to know about all these energies going on right now. Okay. We want to start this particular segment off with some light language prayer, the soul language, not to forget who we are, to remember through the signature of the sounds that we make, through what is referred to as the light language. And so if you feel compelled to use your light language as well, bring that in, make sound, bring it in, move, bring that in. Whatever it is that you feel you would like to contribute to the energy of this moment, bring that in as we send it out into the universe in its highest and best form for healing around the planet, in the planet, on the planet, through the universe. All things that could benefit from this frequency and vibration, we invite that to be welcomed in. Umbaseke shalo totoma ekiwa, tantako lai baby ndu, tamakwata, teoshu tarai tarakokota, yagoto shalele miki wadata shalolan manana kishi, fuda not near mesaka gwanda de ba'atu. Teta shalole me anere ego sa shanere makatano de. Imagine in your mind your council standing around you, holding hands over you and showering you in energy, healing, soothing, comforting energy. And for some of you, this energy, it's time for it to expand into even more things. It's time for you to open up to the next level of what you're ready for. And information will start to flow to you. So pay attention. What is the world around you saying? What videos are popping into your feed? What is the message that continues to show up? What are the signs? What are the thoughts? Pay attention. Remember, your counsel is around you right now. They're holding space for you. They are creating room for you to grow. Shadurumeni ki botana bokoto shadurum pikota shadai bekete. Tumatash that's ushandari kibetam. Patare memasa. Find time in silence today. It doesn't matter if you are thinking thoughts, if you are distracted and moving around, but just find a moment where you are by yourself and set the intentions to receive whatever it is that is in your highest and best good to receive. And we want you to spend at least 5 minutes in that quiet. Even if you feel like you weren't able to settle into the quiet, it is the intentions that you are setting that are amplifying around you. If it helps, keep your thoughts on things of desire for you to manifest and create in your life. If it helps, keep your thoughts on how you would like to feel. Happy, joy, love, satisfaction, pride, whatever it is. Feeling encouraged, feeling supported, all of those things. And be in the joy of these feelings and in these moments and in the quiet. And just breathe, focusing on your breathing, allowing your breath to come in and fill the lungs, and be methodical about it. It's time for you to step into really paying attention to who you are, how you are in this world, what you bring, and what is it that you want to bring. Are you being the person you want to be in this life? What would you like to change if you are not? And how would you like to amplify it if you are? Is there anything that you would like to change? Some of you are actually in a very good place and would like to just hold and maintain that. But we are here supporting you, loving you, showering you in our thoughts and prayers and our intentions of goodwill and highest good. May you receive the blessings that you have been asking for. May you receive the miracles that you are requesting. May you receive the healings that you pray for. Those are our intentions for you. And we thank you with great gratitude for all the work that you do in this world and the good intentions and the sharing and the compassion and the kindness and the wonderful beings that you are. We thank you. Adashalole meke shele kiku tamasana. Tatuna maneki we nansa. Shalole meke dodom. We ask that you receive a gift of demonstration today. Something that you were not expecting that brings joy to you. That is what we are asking for this day for you and for all. And with great gratitude, we thank you for being here with us today. And we thank you for sharing in this time and for creating this collective and this tribe, this family. With great gratitude, we will bring you back, Tracie. Okay, I'm going to explain something because I know that voice or that stoicness did not sound like Daniel, and it's because it wasn't. It was one of the 7 Arcturians that come through. It was the Imperial Arcturian, the one that I call the Imperial, and she kind of has, it's a female with crystalline energy, chakra or auric field, and just comes through with this most pure, genuine love for all humanity. So I just wanted to share that with you guys in case you caught that. It sounds a little different than Goofy Daniel energy or the pitches that he uses. It is different, but it is the same counsel. So that is something that's worth sharing, right? I love you guys. Thank you for helping me reach 3,000. Let's go for 4. And maybe we even grow it even bigger than that. So keep sharing, liking, and commenting. That helps get the videos out there. It helps with the algorithms, and I appreciate it. And of course, I like to read what you write. So please, please share, like, and comment. All right, you guys, until next time, we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.